Right, on today's video, what I want to show you I've done, the headlining up above the cab. I wanted to keep the original headlining in because it's tailor-made to fit that shape, and it would have been quite difficult to cut plywood and measure it and make templates. So what I did, I just recovered the headlining with the Barley four-way stretch carpet. Now you might very well ask what the panel in the middle is. That's simply because if unfortunately you get the window at the front broken by a stone chip or anything off the lorry, then obviously that panel can be taken out, the window can be replaced without actually disturbing any of the other parts of the interior. So that's up there, that's seated in, and it fits onto its own securing pins and everything, which I'll do later. The second job what I've done today, I've put the first half of the ceiling on, simply because I've had to buy it in two pieces because I can't actually transport an 8x4 sheet of plywood. So this piece of board was only, it was 6 foot by 2 foot. So I've placed that one half of the roof. It's slightly more than half actually, and I've also installed 3 of the very small little ceiling lights. The wiring is just nowhere at the moment, it's just hanging down, and that's got to be routed later on, but just to show you what I've done today basically. So that part of the ceiling is done. You must remember that you need to put your wiring in before you carry on. So tomorrow the project, I'm going to reinstall install the second part of the roof, and I'm also going to cut out around the roof light and secure all that. That will be my job for tomorrow, and then I will start paneling the sides of the high top, which again, this side on the passenger side, that's going to have some locker storage, and on the left hand side I'm just going to panel that out and maybe fit some sort of a little shelf unit or something. That's yet to be decided, depending on how much room I've got. So that is the job so far. I'm going to give you a list when I finish this top. I'm going to tell you everything that I've used and what it's cost, give you the sizes, etc. So if you're thinking about doing a Doblo, and I know Kieran, you're actually going to convert one, so anything that I use I'll tell you, and then you're not going to be buying anything that you might not need. So I hope you're finding the videos interesting, and don't forget to give us a like if you like them, and I'll answer any of your questions if you've got any. It's not a professional job. It's just doing something in my retirement that I thought people might be interested in. So that's where we've got so far. Thank you.